Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Newport Beach. We're gonna go take a look at some bunnies. This is called Cosmic Glints. I'm having to do a lot of walking just to find this Bunnyhenge. There are no arrows. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. I have a statue of Ronald Reagan here. Well, the bunny's eyes change. They go from pastel blue to green, yellow, and even pink. And all these bunnies are facing each other. At least one bunny is facing the other bunny. And there's a total of 14 bunnies here at $221,000 for all these bunnies. That's $14,000 per bunny. The bunny. They have two additional bunnies, and they're bigger. There's one way over there, and then there's one on the other side of the building there. Very cool. Bunnyhenge. I guess they could just put anything in a circle and put hinge on it, and it becomes a hinge, I guess. The best way to find Bunnyhenge is to park at the city hall and then walk over here. It's not that far of a walk, and I think it's pretty cool to see. It is kind of a, what's that word I'm looking for? It is kind of eerie, and they're in a circle, and there's 14 of them, 14 bunnies. The bunnies have been here for 5 years. If y'all are not subscribed to me, y'all should be. Click on that subscribe button down below and hammer the hell out of that bell, and you'll get an email notification that I've uploaded a video. And if you would like to be an insider and a supporter of Lone Star Rider, click on that eye in the sky up there and check out my Patreon site. You'll be glad you did. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch y'all on the road. Bunnyhenge. Kind of creepy. Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I've got 2 words. Well, maybe it's 1 word. Bunnyhenge. Is that 2 words, or is that 1 word with a hyphen, or all 1 word? I think it's 1 word. Bunnyhenge. Let's do this over again. I'm glad y'all stuck around. We're here in Newport. I'm not even gonna have to do that. I'm just gonna do an ending. The best way to find these bunnies is to put the What if all these rocks are made to look like bunny laid eggs? Yeah, I said bunny lay eggs. And if you like this video, give it a big... Oops, my thumbs are going too fast. And if you like this video, I did it again. And if you like this video, give it 2 big thumbs up. Nah, don't say that. And if, oh man, I am stuck on this one, ain't I? Bunnies looking at each other across